Arnav, since your debate is me versus rest, so can I get 1.5 minutes of uninterrupted?
Absolutely, you can.
It has become a fashionable argument to blame BJP and RSS on every aspect. Prior to election, we were blamed that we are in the opposition, so we are trying to create a communal atmosphere. Now we are in power at center, so we are blamed because we are in the power. So either the logic can be true, both the logics cannot be true in a span of 2 months. Now Mr. Ajay Bose has said that where is the agenda for governance? Yes, of course, we are committed for agenda for governance and development. Can we be interested in creating this situation? No, definitely those who want to interrupt us, those who want to blame us will be interested in creating a provocative situation, for which nobody is trying or understanding the depth of the situation or root cause of the situation. And as far as the allegation of Samajwadi Party is concerned that we have divided the society, let me complete my sentence. We have divided the society. He has stated the sentence in Hindi, so I would like to reply. उन्होंने कहा कि हमने बांटा है. अरे आपने किस किस में नहीं बांटा? आपने शिक्षा में बांटा सांप्रदायिकता, गरीबी में बांटा, आपने मुआवजे में बांटा, आपने सुरक्षा में बांटा, आपने सेना में बांटा. अरे मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि अंग्रेजों ने हमको बांटा, फिर भी अपने देश की खातिर, और इन सब ने हर परिवेश को बांटा.
आप जोड़ रहे थे
देश की खातिर आप
संगीत जोड़ रहे थे वहां पे.
आज वो हालात पैदा किए हैं जिसकी वजह से देश में जगह जगह पैदा होती है. ये समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस को अपने गिरबान में झांक के देखना चाहिए.
deliberate
Who has created communal divide in army? It was Congress. Who has created communal divide in compensation? It was Samajwadi Party. Who has created communal divide in a loan given to poverty-ridden people? It was Congress.
अपने समाज को और अपने बच्चों को क्या देके जाएंगे?
Who has created this divide? It is the BJP which created divide. It is the Congress, Samajwadi Party and Communist Party created a divide. I would like to ask Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, their government in Kerala has not passed a resolution in favor of Madani,
shall we go on
who was a terror accused in Coimbatore
while UP goes up in
on terrorism. You are having a communal divide. On each and every aspect you try to divide the entire establishment on the communal lines.
And you want to create this situation, you want to make a...
But you promised अच्छे दिन.
...out of it.
And it is my allegation since the BJP has come in power, so they want to create an atmosphere so that they can score a brownie point on the issue of communal divide.
Sir, you promised अच्छे दिन.
Jumped in because you wanted to make capital out of this situation.
You promised अच्छे दिन. Will you acknowledge? You promised अच्छे दिन. Will you acknowledge that? Will you acknowledge, Gaurav Bhatia, welcome to the debate. Will you acknowledge that Sangeet Som is a disgrace to the party? That Sangeet Som, like Tapas Pal, is a disgrace to India's political establishment?
As if creating communal violence here and there.
Can I come in?
Instigating communal violence here and there.
I just want to ask one question. Why the communal matter has become so sensitive only in Samajwadi Party government?
I just want to know only one point.
Not in the other states. Which are the
Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Rajnath Singh and RSS Chief Bhagwat, what are their game plans? They want to disturb Uttar Pradesh government? Yes. They want to impose president rule here? Yes. They want to create communal clashes? Yes. And then you will say the UP has gone out of bounds, so the intervention, so the president rule. But you must understand, this nefarious game will never be completed because there is Supreme Court judgment on SR Bomai case. You can't purchase the MLAs. Your party is not in power, far away from the power, and democratic and secular forces in this state will fight you. Every inch battle will take place if the nefarious designs of Modi, Rajnath and Bhagwat comes to Uttar Pradesh. That much I want to
Atul Kumar Anjan coming into the debate. Gaurav Bhatia right now. 1 second. I like
Atul Anjan's statement because he is going strictly against the fact.
You want to hold the Mahapanchayat. You want to hold the Mahapanchayat and you are coming on the trains. With the coming of the trains in thousands, you want to have a Mahapanchayat. You want to conquer that place.
The Mahapanchayat.
What do you want to distribute?
Mr. Anjan, I welcome Gaurav Bhatia to the debate. I want to make one point, just one point.
No.
The Mahapanchayats are a recipe for violence.
Sentence on Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan.
Sir,
I want to ask Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan on the issue of Muzaffarnagar riots. What was the observation of Supreme Court? Supreme Court said that this was solely because of the gross negligence of the Uttar Pradesh government. It is not Mohan Bhagwat ji or Narendra Modi ji who is saying like this. It is the Supreme Court of India which said like this. And the sting
All
operation
right.
done by
All right.
a reputed TV channel has exposed
To the point.
the involvement of a minister.
Arnab, okay.
These type of
you have
rhetorics
asked me
are
question, I'm replying.
totally in
That I
contrast
agree.
to the facts
It
and try
was
to
a
mislead the people of the
complete
communal
failure
line.
of the law enforcing agencies in Muzaffarnagar.
Supreme Court observed that the failure of law and order was because of the Uttar Pradesh government.
All right. If the today
I fail to understand the situation. Gentlemen, let me come in. I have a... One second, gentlemen, Gentlemen, my voice is not good today. I have a sore throat. Please indulge me. 1 second for a minute. I fail to understand this situation. Like you create trouble and then you say the state government can't handle it. Just 1 point, Gaurav Bhatia is coming in. The Mahapanchayats are a recipe for violence that was evident not just in Muzaffarnagar. It was evident in Meerut on September 30th. It was there that Sangeet Som supporters went on a rampage. They pelted stones, they damaged vehicles, and not unlike what they had done now, he was charged under the NSA by the UP government. This man is a troublemaker. I am asking tonight, why can't Narendra Modi control Sangeet Som? He promised to control these kind of people. He told me that he would. Why is he not doing that? Gaurav Bhatia responding now to Sudhanshu Trivedi, please.
Arnab.
Arnab, I just wish to remind Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi that the real mayhem that was caused during Muzaffarnagar riots was a creation of BJP leaders like Sangeet Som, Suresh Raina, Sanjeev Balia, and they are charge sheeted as of now. But the unfortunate part is that the BJP decides to felicitate such leaders rather than taking action against them. And today what they are trying to do is they are trying to again communalize the entire environment in the state of UP for their political mileage, which I assure them that the state government would not allow. And just like the 84 Kos Parikrama Yatra failed, this ploy of theirs would also fail, and we will take strict action against persons like Sangeet Som, Suresh Raina and other MPs who are trying to vitiate the atmosphere in UP. And also I would say it is so unfortunate that the BJP government, which harps about development, today has completely forgotten about their agenda, and they are trying to spread again communal hatred amongst communities. And what kind of a national party or a government we have which is trying to have reasons to impose president rule? I completely agree with Mr. Atul Anjan that oblivious of the SR Bomai judgment, they're trying to create situation there in UP so that they can say that law and order has failed. But who are the perpetrators of crime? They need to answer that. This facade of theirs needs to be exposed.
He wants to respond to you. His hands go up. The BJP has not only been tolerant of Sangeet Som, they have honored him for being booked in the Muzaffarnagar riots. Sanjeev Balia, who is a minister of state in the Narendra Modi government, is out on bail.
Felicitated him.
Is out on bail for making inflammatory statements in the run-up to the Muzaffarnagar riots.
I would ask Mr. Gaurav
But he's
Bhatia,
still charge
don't
sheeted,
take the
Arnab.
thing
He
in
is still an accused
compartmental
in the
aspect.
case.
Take the thing in the holistic
Yes.
aspect. There is a systematic killing of BJP workers after the elections and
Please go
BJP
ahead.
leaders. Series of killings. Who has done this? It was the BJP which has done this.
The
It is
BJP
your government which is
workers are
provocating
using
continuously.
headquarters
And
to
forget
have
about the
stones.
communal.
They are
All the
using it
criminals
to
in
have
Uttar
dry
Pradesh
water
are
and
being
they are
judged by
using
their
it as a
community.
weapon.
This
What
is
are
my
you talking
allegation.
about?
All the criminals in Uttar Pradesh are judged by their community in Samajwadi Party government. This has become the major cause of law and order problem in Uttar Pradesh.
Mr.
Continuous killing of BJP workers and
How
BJP
are you
leaders by
using the
Samajwadi
BJP
Party
headquarters in
government
Lucknow?
and
It's
gruesome
being used
killing and
to keep
gruesome
stones
murder
there
and
to
gruesome act
paint,
against the women.
stones at police.
It has been done by the BJP or the provocation of BJP. You should try to have some introspection before saying this type of things. The law and order problem is a chronic disease of
What have
Samajwadi
you
Party
done
by
with
its nature.
Suresh Rana and Sanjeev Balia? You rewarded them by... You rewarded Sanjeev
You
Balia
tried
by
to
giving
impose
him a Lok
National
Sabha
Security
ticket
Act. You
rather
were
than
unable
punishing
to
him.
prove that.
And you come
So
on
it's
national
proven that it
television
was a
and you
political
preach
vendetta. So we have
what is
facilitated.
communalism
There was
and what is
nothing
not
wrong in that.
communalism.
Why did you break the curfew?
I can tell you that there
Why
would-
did you break the curfew?
If the BJP government
No, one
continues
second.
like this,
No, 1 minute.
president rule will be imposed
No, my question
in the
is-
country.
my simple-
Okay, I think the president would have to invoke Article 356 and your government would be dismissed.
Why did you break the curfew, Mr. Sudhanshu?
BJP is having an impeccable track record on Article 356. We have never used that.
This is how they're behaving.
Why did you break the curfew? On June 29th, it was the BJP that announced, Mr. Trivedi, its decision to call for a Mahapanchayat on July 4th to protest against the removal of a loudspeaker at a temple despite there being a curfew in place. My question to you is at two levels. Do you think you are saving Hindu religion? Do you think you are saving Hindu religion by playing a loudspeaker at a temple in that communally sensitive zone? Do you think all the Hindus in the country will stand up and give you a round of applause for creating communal tension? Did you break the curfew or not? Why did you break the curfew? What is your adherence to the law? Why are you doing this repeatedly? Was the curfew...
There was also an agreement that the MPs entered
BJP,
into, which they violated.
Why did your people
to
become a champion of any community?
Like dacoits?
Can I say something?
Like
BJP
dacoits?
is not having any intention
like
to become a champion of any community.
1 second. Like
it is
dacoits?
the Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party.
Like dacoits?
And it is not my statement. It is A.K. Antony's statement
like,
that Congress Party is aligned too much with one community.
Sir, why
Our leaders, their senior leaders are saying that those parties have indulged in the politics of one community.
मेरा सवाल तो ये है सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, सवाल तो मेरा ये है, सवाल तो मेरा यह है कि किस तरह की चंबल घाटी की पॉलिटिक्स है जहां पे बीजेपी के नेता, बीजेपी के लीडर्स ट्रेन में घुस के, ट्रेन में रोक के लोगों को परेशान करते हैं. ये चंबल घाटी में भी नहीं होती थी. Dacoits also did not do that. Why are your party leaders doing that today? Answer me, Mr. Trivedi.
Or not.
Did they stop a train?
Or not.
Why did they do that, Mr. Trivedi? Tell me today.
Or not.
Dekhiye, if they have stopped the
Upasana
train,
Express.
they have do anything, we totally condemn that. But if you look at the total perspective of the picture, continuous killing of the leaders and killings, those things which come in media, there are several things happening on the ground, which has been consistently done by Samajwadi Party for provocating BJP leaders. They are trying to take a revenge of their defeat. And it is being proven in the last 1 month. More than a dozen of leaders have been killed. And you are taking the thing out of context and then imposing a communal color in that.
Youth leader was
this is not true. This is not justified.
Your BJP leader. I think you're not aware of the facts, Mr. Kulkarni. Your youth leader was trying to target and kill your BJP leader. You are not aware of that. It is due to internal bickering in the BJP.
Ajay Bose.
Arnab, if I may come in, you look at the chilling logic which is being used. You know, Mr. Trivedi says Samajwadi Party is alienating Hindus. Samajwadi Party is killing BJP leaders. It may well be true, but does that then justify a counter-attack by BJP and RSS Hindu Mahasabha in
Mr. Ajay Bose, it is not me which is saying. It is Mr. A.K. Antony which is saying.
No. You
should
are
respond to
giving
him
a justification.
rather than asking to
you are
me.
giving a justification
Who
for
is
today's
heading this
violence,
committee?
of today's flouting of orders.
Investigate the reasons of
You are
the
trying to
Congress
justify
Party.
it. You are
I'm
you are
not trying to
justify it.
I am
And
just
that is
trying
the
to show them
danger.
a mirror.
You are creating a Frankenstein's monster. It will devour you.
This is
the danger that you continuously do a biased partisan communal politics and try to have a cover-up on the ostensible ground of communal secular politics. This is the danger. This is the basic danger which has created so many problems in the Indian political history of 67 years.
I think Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi is not aware. Arnab,
Yeah.
I think Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi is not aware that the MP from BJP himself had entered into an agreement where it was decided between all the parties that the speakers would be put back. But just to communalize the entire environment, they did that, and they itself violated the agreement that they had agreed to. And right now, I think when 144 has been imposed in the area, they have violated the law itself. And the DM was acting in a responsible manner, getting all the communities together. But the BJP did not want that, because they had some ill intentions to communally charge the entire atmosphere there.
My question is at a broader level. When Anil Shirole, the BJP MP from Pune, made a disgraceful remark following the murder of Mohsin Sheikh, and I want to put this to Atul Kumar Anjan here and Rita Bahuguna Joshi, allegedly by members of the Hindu Rashtra Sena, he claimed it was a natural repercussion. Today you are saying what happened in Moradabad is a natural reaction. You realize this is the same logic, and Narendra Modi told me that I will stop these kind of people through some internal mechanism. Where is that mechanism today? It is 1.5 months since the Modi government came to power. These people are being encouraged. And the only reason, Mr. Trivedi, don't get me wrong, the only reason I'm asking this question today is because I believe that today in Moradabad, we were on the edge of a bigger possible riot. Thank God the situation was brought under control, wasn't it, Rita Bahuguna Joshi? Today we were on the edge of a bigger confrontation. Do we want a bloodbath? Will we then have TV debates like this on who started it? If there is a bloodbath tomorrow, will that improve the image of the Narendra Modi government, Mr. Trivedi? Do you realize how sensitive the situation has become, Atul Kumar Anjan? Yes.
Arnav, you have correctly raised the issues and you have very pinpointedly questioned you have put before Mr. Trivedi. I just want to say one point. Mr. Narendra Modi goes around here and there, he speaks in chambers, he speaks inside the parliament and outside, says the development is the main agenda for his government. But his agenda is something else. There is a hidden agenda. With this sort of communal rights if you are creating, I want to tell the corporate world where you will have business, who will send you the money, who will invest in India. With this sort of social fabric where everywhere there is a sort of communal clashes, there is a difference, there is a distrust. In that situation, you want to move from 4.5% to 8%. You want to bring India into the world map. I think it is not there. And I say, Mr. Trivedi, I just want to tell Mr. Rajnath Singh also, Mr. Bhagwat and Mr. Modi. Mr. Modi, the public making speeches, and speeches are now over. Now the point has come for reaction. Now you have to react. But such type of reaction, communal reaction, will not help. And I think right now, all the democratic and secular forces, those who believe in the Constitution of India, with this sort of act, we have to save the Constitution of India also. And at the same time,
why don't you throw out Sangeet Som from the BJP? Why don't you throw him out of the BJP? Trivedi ji, आप उसको इनको निकाल बाहर क्यों नहीं करते?
There is an agenda.
आप उनको निकाल क्यों नहीं देते?
BJP RSS. They want to destroy the UP and Bihar government. And Mr. Trivedi has said, thrice military was called in UP. By doing this act, by communalizing situation, you want to bring
5 minutes on the debate, the BJP should respond now.
There must be a president rule. This game, we understand, there will be in Uttar Pradesh, this game will not be allowed by the democratic forces.
3 MPs and 3 MLAs defending on
I just want to ask Sudhanshu Joshi a question.
Is a very serious issue. They are public representatives. They take oath on the Constitution. To abide by the Constitution. And there is a definite silence from the BJP High Command.
खराब की जाए और उसके बाद जब उत्तर प्रदेश की गवर्नमेंट आर्मी कॉल करती है सेंटर से, तो ये दिखा दिया जाए कि उत्तर प्रदेश में हालात बहुत खराब हैं और ये संभाल नहीं पा रहे हैं, इसलिए प्रेसिडेंट रूल लगा देना चाहिए। लेकिन ये बात भूल गए कि सवाल ये भी खड़ा होगा कि जो प्रधानमंत्री तरक्की की बात करते थे, डेवलपमेंट की बात करते थे, और आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, तो उनको देश के भी हालात पता हैं और अपनी पार्टी के हालात भी पता हैं। क्या उनको इस बात का जवाब नहीं देना चाहिए देश के सामने कि उनके 3 सांसद, उनके विधायक, उनके लीडर मुरादाबाद के कांठ में कौन सी प्लानिंग कर रहे थे? क्या उनको देश के सामने इस बात का खुलासा नहीं करना चाहिए कि लोगों का खून बहाने का जो चाल चली जा रही थी, उत्तर प्रदेश को जो आग लगाने की जो प्लानिंग की जा रही थी, ये किसके कहने पे की जा रही थी? इस बात का जवाब तो मोहन भागवत जी को भी देना पड़ेगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक लीडर को देना पड़ेगा। ये तो हमारे मुख्यमंत्री की सूझबूझ है कि उन्होंने इतनी तेजी से मुजफ्फरनगर में जो निर्णय किया था, उसको देखते हुए माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने जितनी अपनी सूझबूझ और तेज तर्रारी से इस मुरादाबाद कांड को कंट्रोल किया है, वरना इनका इरादा तो उत्तर प्रदेश की स्थिति में स्थिति को खराब करना था और यहाँ पर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन को खराब दिखाकर प्रेसिडेंट रूल की सिफारिश करना था। ये झूठे लोग हैं, अच्छे लोग नहीं हैं, इनको चाहिए कि ये देश से माफी मांगे।
No, we should let the BJP respond. Okay, quickly, Gaurav, because then we'll get the BJP to respond. It's 1 versus 5 on the News Hour tonight. Yes.
Yeah, sure. No, Arnab, I just want to take you back in time and remind Mr. Amit Shah going to Ayodhya to communalize the environment in UP. After that, what happens in Muzaffarnagar? They orchestrate these riots. 84 Kos Parikrama Yatra, they wanted to again have communal riots. Somehow the state government was quick to act and fail their plans. And now again in Muradabad, when an amicable solution was reached, what was the reasons for the BJP leaders to have this Mahapanchayat and politicize the entire issue? There was an agreement signed by the MP of BJP and they decided to violate that agreement later because they thought that they would politically gain if there are communal riots in the state of UP. And I think there have been series of events. Their intentions are clear now. Until they discipline their own MPs.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Like Sangeet Som, Suresh Rana, Sanjeev Balia. I think their only plan is to have these communal riots in
Sudhanshu Trivedi, on several occasions in the past, we have brutally criticized the Samajwadi government for failing to control the law and order situation. You know that. But what is happening right now is the politics of instigation. My question to you, sir, is here is a great opportunity to distance yourself from the instigators. Mr. Trivedi, the whole country will stand up and applaud Rajnath Singh and Narendra Modi if they can throw out Sangeet Som from the BJP or at least suspend him. If you do that, people will say, yeah, this is a strong government. If you don't do that, then people might say it's a strong government only in theory. When it comes to acting against people who are bloodthirsty rioters, it is a weak government. You understand, Mr. Trivedi, people are watching you tonight.
On this issue of communal agenda versus development agenda and its subsequent political gain, for the time being, I want to set aside the communal allegations. They are free to have anything, whatever they think about us, and we are having some different perspective. I would like to just put few facts about the development agenda. What was the growth rate and the inflation during the Congress regime?
No.
What was the growth rate in Samajwadi Party? Let me complete my sentence. What was the growth rate during West Bengal in the left rule? What was during the Lalu Prasad Yadav's regime? When the entire growth rate... Let me complete the sentence.
Okay, let him
when the entire growth rate of the country is less than 5%, most of the BJP ruled state are having 10%. Who has proved the record of development? If we are having the better record of development and in the last year assembly elections there was no communal issue and we have routed Congress, then it can be easily, conclusion can be drawn who needs agenda of communal divide for fighting election. We or you. It is not the BJP because we are having an extraordinary record of development and good administration. So it is imperative on the part of those parties who have utterly failed in performing the good governance to create a communal divide in which the Communist Party, Samajwadi Party and Congress Party all hand in glove.
No growth can compensate for a bloodbath.
I have one question.
No growth.
BJP take action?
No growth can compensate for a riot. No development can balance out a communally instigated situation. We can throw all
in our
development away.
states, there was no communal right, total communal harmony and full development. Why it happens only those states?
But what happened in Muzaffarnagar today?
Like the Samajwadi Party.
What happened in Muzaffarnagar today? What happened in Moradabad today?
For Mr. Trivedi. I have just one question for Mr. Trivedi.
Why it happens?
I have just one question. I just want to
आप
ask
यहाँ
Mr.
पर
Trivedi.
अपने आप को बचा रहे हैं आपके पास जवाब नहीं है मैंने आपसे एक छोटी सी बात पूछी है कि अपने आप को देश का प्रधानमंत्री कहने वाले श्री मोदी जी आपके पार्टी के लीडर श्री मोदी जी आपके गृह मंत्री श्री राजनाथ जी को इस मुरादाबाद के कारनामे की खबर पहले से थी कि नहीं थी आप इस बात का जवाब दीजिए
आपकी सरकार है उत्तर प्रदेश में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आपको इसकी जानकारी हमसे पहले होनी चाहिए थी कि नहीं लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इज स्टेट सब्जेक्ट आपको पहले जानकारी होनी चाहिए थी हमसे आप इसका जवाब दीजिए और उसके बाद हमसे
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की स्थिति खराब करना चाह रहे थे ये आपके प्रधानमंत्री और गृहमंत्री की चाल थी
I put this question for our viewers.
खुलासा कीजिए यहाँ पर
I put this question.
जानकारी आपके नेताओं को थी कि नहीं थी
Last word to Ajay Bose.
Without the approval of the center.
I have one question for Mr. Trivedi.
Yes, Mr.
Mr. Trivedi, if we accept your logic that you do not need communal, sort of divide, and just development agenda is good enough for you to win elections, then what is keeping you from what Arnav has suggested?
Throw out Sangeet Som.
Sack or suspend this man.
Throw him out.
Sack or suspend this man who's clearly instigating communal violence in a sensitive area. What is then to keep you? If you are so powerful and confident in
I
your
would like
development
to ask the
agenda,
Uttar
then it
Pradesh
should be easy.
government to book him in a proper case and prove in the court of law where is the problem. You are having the government book him in the proper
no, it's
law
not just the
and prove him in the
It is
guilty in the
time-
court
So you
of
mean
law.
that there is
which
no
you
internal party?
Which you failed to prove.
Stop
There is no
asking
internal
for
party.
government.
Why did you? No. But why did Modi say?
And take action against your MP. Why don't you
are
stop preaching
saying
and take action against Mr.
That
Sangeet
if you
Som?
consider
Why do you
that
have to
our
ask the UP
MP
government?
has done some
The
guilt
party should
and
act, the
criminal
BJP should
activity,
act
in my
today.
opinion, which has not done. If this is
Mr.
your
Modi
government,
said-
you
Sangeet
book
Som
him
is already
and prove him
charged.
and put him behind the bar.
Mr. Modi said-
Why you are not doing this?
Mr.
And you are
Are you
unnecessary.
not-
As I wrap up,
to take the action.
Sangeet
We're wrapping
Som
up. Mr.
is facing
Mr.
a
Modi
trial for
spoke.
Muzaffarnagar riot.
Mr. Modi spoke, Gaurav, of an internal party mechanism. Today you can't say let the UP government book them in a case. You said you're the internal party mechanism to control these kind of people. All I'm asking today is, and I'm wrapping up at this point, please show me that internal party mechanism. No. How did it disappear after the elections? If there is no internal party mechanism, tell us. Or if that party mechanism is controlled from Nagpur, tell us that and the people will understand. But should the BJP sack Sangeet Som is a question I put to the audience. Well, thank you very much, Sudhanshu Trivedi, especially for taking on 4 or 5 people on this debate tonight. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.